Hey finders, and welcome back to Fortune Finds, and welcome to this week's Fast Fix Friday, where I share one beauty tip with you in 5 minutes or less. Today we're touching upon wing liner and just how to go about getting that wing liner without having the struggle of them coming out looking wonky, different, wrong placement. I know what it's like to struggle to do a wing liner. If you have been a finder here for a hot minute, you know. I never enjoy doing wing liners. I myself have semi-hooded eyes, and I also have 2 different eye shapes. So for me, it was never a fun experience trying to get my cat eyes to match one another. And this was legitimately the trick that I taught myself how to do in order to be able to finally get to the point where I can sit down, have 15 minutes to do my makeup, and be able to just do a freehand wing liner. So if that sounds like something you aspire to be able to achieve, then this is exactly how I did it. And if I can do it, you can do it. So for this trick, you're going to need 5 things. You're going to need a flat brush like this. This is a Morphe JH43, but any brush with this flat shape will do just fine. Setting spray, a dark brown shadow, your choice of liquid liner, and lastly, you're going to want to grab an eye cream or a concealer, depending on whether you plan to do this wing before your makeup or after your full face of makeup. So step number 1 is you're going to take your flat brush and you're going to mist it with your setting spray. Dab into your dark brown shadow. You kind of want to think of this as a continuation of your lower lash line. So you're going to place the brush at the corner of your lower lash line and then angle it up towards the tail of your brow. And you're going to want to angle that brush to kind of meet the upper lash line. So you're going to kind of create a triangle shape. And now you have an outline. If you don't like the triangle that you created and you just think that the placement is off, the great thing about this is that you can just take your finger, wipe away the eyeshadow, and voila. Grab your liquid liner and just outline that triangle that you created. I like to go ahead and just line the whole eye, and I'm going to do a really thin liner. You can do a thicker liner if you want, but I just find that a thin liner is very flattering to everyone no matter what the eye shape is. Then you're going to fill in that triangle. What's really important and key to doing a wing liner, whether it's this way or any other way, is to create the wing with your eyes open. I myself am going to take another flat brush, but if you just have one flat brush, that's totally fine. You don't need 2. Just make sure that you get all the shadow off. Dip it into my eye cream and then tap the excess off on the back of my hand. Use that cream to carve out my wing. It's just going to take away any of the excess product that maybe got out of line where you don't necessarily want it. If you did your full face of makeup and then put a wing on, then you're going to go ahead and take concealer, put it on the back of your hand, and just do the same exact thing with that flat brush. In any case, at the end of my makeup routine, I always do go in with a little bit of concealer on a flat brush to just make that wing really crisp, really clean, and it just kind of makes it pop a little bit more than if you weren't to do this step. And voila guys, there you have it. That is my eyeliner trick. This is what taught me how to do my eyeliner in literally 5 minutes or less. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you would like to see more Fast Fix Fridays like this, be sure to leave it a thumbs up down below. Leave me some love in the comments. Let me know if you do end up trying this trick, if you liked it, how it went for you, and also be sure to leave me any fast fix requests that you may have. I'm happy to help you guys up your makeup game in any way that I can. Make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell before you leave. I had a great time as always. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, finders. Mwah.